Hi guys, this is Venkat with Lead the Life. In this video we are going to see about Nestopia NES game emulator. In order to download Nestopia, open any one of the browser. In the search bar type Nestopia 140-bin source forge. Open the sourceforge.net link. Don't click here. Scroll down. Nestopia, LNG and SRC are language source files. You need to download bin file. Click on bin file to download. Download will start in 5 seconds. You can see download has started. After completion of download, move the file to desktop. Now extract the file. Open the extracted folder. Open the Nestopia application file. Right now you don't have any NES games to open. To download NES games, open new tab. In the search bar type 1100 NES games. Open the Emulator games.net link. Here click on save game to download. Download will start in 5 seconds. After completion of download, move the file to desktop. Now extract the file. Open Nestopia application. Click on File, Open, Browse 1200 in one folder. And select 1200 in one NES file. Here you can see 20 games. Scroll down, you can see more. There are 1200 games. You can play any game you like. Here I am going to show Mario game. To close the game, click on File and click on Close. To open another game, click on Open, select 1200 in one NES file. Select the game you want to play. Here I am going to open Galaxy N game. Okay friends, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.